Welcome viewers, you're watching live and breaking on Republic TV with me, Ishita Mitra. Top focus at this hour. Now, the Supreme Court has said that fluctuations in airfare and extra charges imposed by private airlines during festive seasons and holidays is a matter of serious concern. This comes as a bench of Justices Vikram Nath and Sandeep Mehta made these remarks while hearing a petition seeking regulatory guidelines to control the unpredictable fluctuations in airfare. So it's a big relief for travellers, for consumers, as the top court now takes into account the fluctuations that happens in the airfares, in fact, during the festive seasons. My colleague Sarthak now joins me with more details. Sarthak, it's a big relief for consumers, travellers, as the Supreme Court has now taken into account the concerns of the consumers, which is when the airfares usually charge and usually exceed the normal amount during the festive seasons. Give us a breakdown of this remarks by the top court.
Well, yes, that's a huge development that the Supreme Court has actually shown concern towards this PIL. This PIL was filed by a social activist, S. Lakshmi Narayan, some time ago, where he said that airlines use their autonomous power to just abruptly hike the fare, especially during the festival season. He also states that these airlines tend to hike the price nearly 3 times during these festival seasons. And also, the airlines sometimes reduce these free baggage allowances and add extra charges when passengers see and this is something that is unfair to the passengers. Well, the Supreme Court has observed that this is a serious issue where airlines use this autonomous power. Just to remind the viewers and give a little background on the case, in November 2025, the Supreme Court issued notices to the Centre, the DGCA, and the Airports Economic Regulatory Authority of India, which is AERA, asking them to respond to the petition. And then in January 2026 as well, the court said these unpredictable and high fares, especially during the festival seasons when people are traveling to their homes, people are working in a different city, and these are the times when people are actually traveling back to their homes. And the way the airlines hike their prices at this particular time is a huge matter of concern, and therefore at this point the Ministry of Civil Aviation has said that they need some more time to file a reply because they are looking into the matter. They are also showing serious concern on this issue, and therefore this is going to take a the Supreme Court is going to hear this matter on the next date of hearing, that is March 23rd, 2025. This is a huge development because Supreme Court is not taking this issue lightly, because abruptly hiking the prices during the festival season is unfair to the passengers when they're mostly traveling during these festival seasons. So it's a huge development that the Supreme Court is taking this issue seriously.
Right, of course. Sarthak, also you say the next hearing is going to take place in the month of March. What was the response by the private airlines, regarding this surge that happens during the festive seasons?
Well, apparently at this point, the information that we have received, the private airlines had not been served any notice, and not been asked to file any sort of reply. Any specific airline has not been mentioned over here. Just the Ministry of Aviation has asked for some more time to look into the matter, to investigate the matter and try to find what could be the possible reasons why airlines tend to hike the price at this point. Is it just garnering as much profit as possible at this point, or what is the actual reason? And just to challenge and to raise some pertinent questions about this entire issue, and therefore the Ministry of Aviation has asked some more time, and hence the Supreme Court has adjourned the matter for March 23rd, 2026.
All right, so big remarks by the top court on the airfare loot by private airlines during the peak travel season. Thank you, Sarthak, for joining us and sharing these